Imagine you have hundreds or even thousands of files and folders that need to be renamed. Maybe you need to add a prefix to all of them, remove unwanted text, or replace part of the file and folder's names with something else. Doing this manually? That's hours or even days of repetitive work. And with repetition comes mistake.
Human error is inevitable.
But what if you could do all of this in seconds with full control and a live preview of every change before you commit?
Welcome to Avarwand's channel for introducing free tools. Today, I'm introducing the first tool in the Avarwand collection, the Avarwand Name Editor, or simply NE. This name editor tool is a lightweight, fast, and an offline tool designed for bulk file and folder renaming
in Microsoft Windows.
It has a clean, modern interface with dark mode.
Because who wants to stare at a bright white screen all day?
With NE, you can add text to the beginning or end of file names, remove text from specific positions, replace text with something else without case sensitivity, work with files, folders, or both, filter by specific file types. Let me show you how simple this is. First, you browse to the folder containing the files you want to rename. If you only want to work with specific file types, like images, documents, or videos, you can filter by extension. For example, enter JPG or PNG to work only with image files. You can also choose whether to rename files, folders, or both. Now let's say you want to add text to your file names. First of all, you need to enter the path where your files or folders are located. So in this section, we select the Add option. As you see, you can choose whether the changes should apply only to file names, only to folder names, or to both. As you can see, if you select Files or both, you also have the option to specify the file format. By default, it targets all files, but if you choose Custom Format, you can set the desired format. By default, text files are selected. You can also choose whether the text should be added at the start or at the end of the file name. Here, you type what you want to add. Finally, click Rename. Look at the results grid. The old name on the left, the new name on the right. But there's still one more feature. You might want the changes to apply only to files that contain a specific word in their name among the files or folders in the selected path. So simply enter the desired word in the Filter by Word field and test again. Maybe you need to remove text instead. Switch to the Remove operation. You can remove text from the start, from the end,
or anywhere in the file name.
And then there's the replace operation, one of the most powerful features. Let's replace the word new in folder names with the phrase my data-archive-. You can always preview the changes in the result grid. You can also clear your current results and start fresh with the Clear button. You can also save all the contents inside Result Grid as a CSV file. As you see, the naming history of files and folders can be documented in a clear and professional way. So why should you use Avarwand Name Editor? Because it's fast, it's simple, it's safe, and most importantly, it's completely free and works entirely offline. No data leaves your machine, no subscriptions, no hidden costs. Whether you're organizing project files, cleaning up photo libraries, or managing documents in a secure environment, NE can save you hours of work and eliminate human error. The download link is in the description below. The file is password protected for security. The password is... Don't forget to install one of the two programs, 7-Zip or WinRAR, so you can first extract the downloaded file. Try it out and let me know in the comments what you think or what features you'd like to see in future updates. In case of any problems or malfunctions related to this program, please report them fully in the comment section. If you have any suggestions or criticisms, please share those in the comments as well. They will definitely be taken into consideration in future updates. Otherwise, I wish you good health and hope that this tool can positively contribute to improving your work efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll introduce another free tool from the Avarwand collection.